Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to learn about inductive reasoning and conjecture, which is an important topic of mathematical reasoning. Okay, it seems that we are going to learn English, but it is mathematics. Okay, so let's start the lesson. This is reasoning and inductive. These are the two words. We are well familiar with reasoning. Reasoning means to support our statement, whatever example or whatever reason we give, that is called inductive reasoning. Okay, so inductive means consider different examples to support your statement, and when that example becomes a rule, then it is called conjecture. Okay, when that example becomes a rule, after observing so many examples and numbers, when we come to a specific rule or pattern, then that is called conjecture. Okay, and what is the inductive reasoning? Inductive reasoning means to consider various examples, and for a particular question or for a particular pattern, when we consider so many examples, then that is called inductive reasoning. For example, if we talk about, we'll start with a simple number. Okay, see, for example, we have 2, then 4, then 8, then 14, then it seems, okay, see, what is the difference here? Question is, what will be the next number? Okay, so now if you see here, the difference between first two number is 2, then difference is 4, then difference is 6, then difference should be 8. Yes, so what examples we are taking, that is called inductive reasoning. But this pattern what we have obtained here means pattern is difference is increasing by 2, difference is increasing by 2. So this is called conjecture. Okay, so here you can see, if we have a difference of 8, so 14 plus 8, it will be 22. So it will be the next number. If you have to find the next number, then difference should be what? Difference should be 10. Okay, like this you can have various questions, and it's very interesting and very easy also. Okay, so just you need to understand the logic and then you find the numbers. So what will be the next number? 32. Okay, like this you can find so many numbers. For example, let's talk about another example. Say question is December, May, then October, then comes March, and so on. Question is, what will be the next month? Okay, so what we can think here, December is number 12 month. Yes, May is number 5, then October is number 10, and then March is number 3. Okay, so what you can think here, what you can see the pattern, you see this month one after means alternative month is decreased by 2. Same here, this month is decreased by 2. Okay, so what will be the next number after October? This pattern will continue for this month, means it will be decreased by 2. So 10 minus 2 means 8th month. And what is the 8th month? August. Yes. Okay, if we talk about the next month, then it will continue with March. So from March we will subtract 2, so it will be only 1, means January. Yes, like this you can find the pattern and then you can get the answer. Okay, so what is the conjecture? In exam maybe you will get the question that write the conjecture about the following question or following pattern. Okay, so it is not any new thing, it is just a logic what you think in your mind, that logic you have to write here. Okay, for example, another question can be 10, 4, then minus 2, then minus 8, and so on. Okay, now what conjecture we can follow here? You see 10 and then next number is 4, so it is decreased by 6, then it is decreased by 6 again, It is decreased by 6 again. So it means next number is 6 smaller than the previous number. So what will come after minus 8? So it will be minus 8 minus 6 means it is equal to minus 14. So next number will be minus 14. Okay. Now if you have to find the next number, then it should be minus 14 minus 6. It will be equal to minus 20. So this number will be minus 20. Okay. Now you can have some questions based on the picture also. Okay. See, it will take a lot of time to color it, but I'll try to explain you. Okay. See, for example, they say one triangle and then another triangle like this. Inside this you have one more triangle. Okay. Then inside this, like one triangle, you have this. Then inside you have this triangle. Then inside this also you have all these triangles like this. Okay. So question is, what will be the next pattern? So what you can see here, in all the regions you will have one smaller triangles. Like this also you can do, or you can find the number of triangles as well. Okay. Like this you can practice some questions. Okay. So what next we can have in this regard? See, for example, question can be make a conjecture about each value or geometric relationship. Okay. See, they say the sum of two odd numbers, the sum of two odd numbers. Okay. Now this type of question needs your attention because you should be very clear with this definition. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So sum of two odd numbers. So what we can do here, we can consider some examples. And what I told you, when we talk about some examples, when we think about some examples, then it is called inductive reasoning. Okay. So let's talk about, say, for example, 1 plus 7. This is 8. Similarly, you can have any number. You can have 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. You can have 11 plus 17. It will be 28. Or you can have 101 plus 99. It will be equal to 200. Like this, you can consider many examples. So what you can see here, whenever you are adding two odd numbers, then answer is always an even number. Okay. So what will be the conjecture? Conjecture in this case will be the sum of two odd numbers. The sum of two odd numbers is an even number. Okay. Like this. So conjecture is, after having so many examples, we got some pattern, we got some rule. So we can say that sum of two odd numbers is always an even number. So this will be the conjecture. Okay. Now similarly, you can have the question like segment joining opposite vertices of a rectangle. Segment joining opposite vertices, joining opposite vertices of a rectangle. Okay. Now here you should be very much clear with the difference between rectangle and parallelogram. Okay. See, they are talking about rectangle. So you can draw many rectangles, like just to prove your statement, whatever you will give here, some big, some small, okay, some like this. It's up to you. Whatever examples you want, you can make it. Okay. Don't go with this zigzag lines. Okay. Because of this writing tab, no problem. So if we join the opposite vertices means like this. If you join here and then if you join like this here, same here and here, don't you think that all these lines what I am joining, they are looking equal in their respective figures? For example, this line is looking same like this line. Same means equal in length. Okay. Similarly, this line is equal to this line in length. So what conjecture we can have here? We can have that the segment joining vertices of a rectangle or rectangles are congruent. Congruent means same to same, okay? Same shape and same size, okay? So this is conjecture, okay? So I am sure you understood this lesson. So what is the meaning of inductive reasoning? Inductive reasoning means to support your statement, whatever number you consider, whatever example you consider is called inductive reasoning, and whatever rule you form after observing so many numbers is called conjecture. Okay, I'm sure you are clear with this, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.